Hey everyone, welcome back. With iOS 26, Apple is taking a stronger stance against unwanted calls and messages by introducing new tools in the phone app. One of the most useful additions is the ability to report spam voicemails. If you have ever been bothered by robocalls or shady telemarketers leaving voicemails, this feature gives you a simple way to take action and help improve its spam detection systems. That said, let me show you how it's done the right way. So first and foremost, you have to launch the phone app on your iPhone. And then you have to tap the voicemail tab at the bottom of the screen. Then you have to find and tap the voicemail message that you believe is spam. If the voicemail is from an unknown or unsaved number, a report spam button will appear. Then you have to tap report spam, and then you have to choose one of the following options: report and keep. It allows you to flag the voicemail as spam but keep it in your inbox. Report and delete. It allows you to flag it as spam and remove it from your inbox. And that's about it. Your report is sent to Apple and the voicemail is either kept or deleted based on your preference, and that's pretty much it. So that's how you can easily report spam voicemails on your iPhone. Now that you have unlocked this super handy feature, make the most of it as and when the need arises, and I'll catch you up in the next one.